You will listen to the conversation and choose the best answer for each question. The question will appear 5 seconds before the conversation begins. There will be many difficult words. Don't worry too much. They are just names. Enjoy this wonderful study time. Now, let's begin.
Guys, check this out. I found the perfect spot for a summer camping trip. Secluded lake, hiking trails, and then they even have kayak rentals.
Camping? You know I'm more of a hotel with room service kind of gal, right?
Come on, Maya. It'll be an adventure. We can roast marshmallows over a bonfire, tell spooky stories, and sleep under the stars. It'll be so much fun.
I've actually never been camping before. It sounds kind of exciting. What do you have to bring, Liam?
Oh, I've got a whole list. Tent, sleeping bags, headlamps, cooking gear. Don't worry, I've got an extra sleeping bag you can borrow, Sarah.
Fine, but if there are spiders in the tent, I'm sleeping in the car.
Deal. I promise it'll be an unforgettable trip. Just imagine, waking up to the sounds of birds chirping and the smell of fresh pine in the air.
I'm actually starting to get excited. What kind of hiking trails do they have?
See? It's even got a little dock where we can launch the kayaks.
Okay, you've convinced me. But I'm bringing bug spray, extra blankets, and maybe a whole can of air freshener. You know, just in case.
This is going to be epic. When are we thinking of going?
How about the first weekend of July? I'll send you guys a packing list, and we can start planning the details.
Check out this view from my hike last weekend. I found this incredible trail just outside the city. Breathtaking, right?
Wow, yeah, that's beautiful. How long was the hike?
It was about 6 miles round trip, so a decent workout, but totally worth it for those views. You should come with me next time, Chloe.
6 miles? I don't know. Alex, I haven't done a hike that long before. I don't want to slow you guys down.
Chloe, you'd be surprised what you can do. Plus, imagine the photos we could get. I bet the wildflowers are in full bloom right now. Wildflowers.
Wildflowers do sound lovely. But what if the trail is really steep? I'm not exactly the most experienced hiker.
No worries. This trail is well maintained. Mostly gradual inclines. We can take it at your pace, no pressure. We could even pack a picnic lunch and enjoy it at a scenic spot.
Ooh, I should bring my macro lens for those wildflowers. Close-ups of nature's beauty. Yes.
Sounds like a plan, Daniel. Chloe, what do you say? Ready to conquer those trails and capture some Instagram-worthy shots?
All right, count me in. But I'm claiming the best spot for that picnic. Deal? All right, who's ready to explore those hidden coves I was telling you about? I snagged us a double kayak this time.
Sounds fun, but I'm perfectly content soaking up the sun from right here, thanks. Maybe later, when it's a bit cooler.
Wait, is that a kayak? I've always wanted to try that, although I was thinking more along the lines of stand-up paddleboarding. Have you guys ever tried it? It looks so peaceful and graceful.
Peaceful and graceful, huh? More like a recipe for a hilarious wipeout. But hey, I'm always up for a challenge. We could rent some soupe boards right over there. Jake, you in?
I don't know. Paddleboarding, huh? It looks kinda wobbly. I'm more of a sit and sip lemonade on the beach kind of guy.
Come on, Jake. Don't be such a scaredy cat. It'll be fun. Besides, Erin promised to teach me, and we all know how patient she is. Right, Erin?
Patient as a saint. Just try not to fall in. Too much. Last one to the kiosk buys the coconut water.
Okay, maybe a little paddleboarding won't hurt. But if I see one fin, I'm out of here.